Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions by comparing the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the SOTAONE HS440, and on the right, the SOTAONE S350. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride through the skies. First up, let's talk price. The SOTAONE HS440 comes in at $129, while the SOTAONE S350 is a mere $59. With that price difference, you could buy a couple of pizzas, a six-pack, and still have change for a tip. Reviewers note that the S350 is budget-friendly, making it a great starter option. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving, the S350 might be your new best friend. Alright, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but the SOTAONE HS440 has an auto-adjustable camera that can be controlled remotely, while the S350 requires some good old manual adjustment. Reviewers of the HS440 appreciate the ease of use and decent image quality, whereas S350 users find the camera good, but note it only works with the app. So if you prefer convenience, the HS440 is your guy, but if manual adjustments don't bother you, the S350's got you covered. Next, let's look at flight time. The SOTAONE HS440 offers 20 minutes of sweet air time, while the SOTAONE S350 also claims up to 20 minutes. However, the hydrogen sulfide has a powerful modular battery, whereas the S350 gives you two rechargeable batteries. Reviewers of the HS440 praise its battery life and durability, while S350 users appreciate the extra battery for continuous use. So, if you want a long-lasting battery, the HS440 is ideal, but if backup is your priority, the S350 has you covered. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie. The HS440 has automatic takeoff and precise hovering, making it almost foolproof. The S350, however, offers altitude hold, one-key takeoff, land, and 3-speed modes. Reviewers find the HS440 easy to control and beginner-friendly, while the S350 is noted for its versatility. It's like the S350 is saying, "Hey, I'm complicated, but I'm fun." Now, let's get to the fun stuff. The HS440 offers high-speed rotation, which sounds like a drone on a caffeine high. The S350, on the other hand, is basically the Cirque du Soleil of drones with 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and even VR mode. Reviewers love the HS440 for its fun flying experience, while the S350 is praised for its entertaining features, especially by kids. So, if you want your drone to perform like it's auditioning for America's Got Talent, the S350 is your go-to. Last but not least, safety and design. The HS440 is small but mighty, and it comes with a carrying case to make you feel like a drone-toting secret agent. The S350, designed with kids in mind, has low power alarms, emergency stop, and propeller guards. Reviewers appreciate the HS440's durability and compact design, while the S350 is noted for its safety features and sturdiness. It's like the S350 is wearing a helmet and knee pads, ready for any mishap. Overall, the SOTAONE HS440 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and fun flying experience, making it a great option for beginners who want a reliable drone. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 is lauded for its affordability, entertaining features, and safety, particularly appealing to kids and those new to drone flying. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The SOTAONE HS440 and the SOTAONE S350 both have their unique perks. If you've got a bit more cash to splash and want a drone that basically flies itself, go for the HS440. But if you're on a budget and want a drone that's packed with fun features, the S350 is your aerial buddy. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more buy smart comparisons. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.